You know what the best thing is about owning your own soda machine? You don't have to go nowhere. Look. Oh, all the soda I can drink them. Alright, we're gonna drill it. I haven't had time to do it. No, that's too big of a bit. I gotta get a smaller bit.
Is that where you're supposed to drill it?
Yeah, right in there.
Okay.
So I want to get a smaller bit.
Yep.
Alright, let's see. Let me get my glasses on because I can't see.
Yeah.
Pretty sure this thing is tight then, I guess.
You want me to get my drill?
Yeah, it should be alright. I don't know.
Okay. Start from the beginning again.
Alright, I'll get a little more then. This tonight.
Second drill for me?
I need my glasses. Come on, baby. Don't. I gotta get this. Thank God it broke right there. I can grab it with a screwdriver.
Pop it, hit it. See.
Yeah. I didn't feel it go through yet.
Is it supposed to go through?
Yeah. I don't know. I hope I drilled it far enough.
Oh. Nice.
Uh-oh. Which way does it go?
No, the other way.
The other way?
I think it's the other way. Or maybe it's the other way. I don't know.
Uh-oh. Tight.
Okay. Alright, so keep going left.
Let me see where it separates so I can feel it. Oh, I think
She's loosening up.
Oh,
There you go. Oh man, I gotta get on that side then.
Yeah, you gotta get on this side.
Shoot.
Ready? You got your camera on?
Yeah.
Oh, what's that? Can you see?
Money? Alright, put your light on.
Let me put my light on. Where's my camera? Where's my light? Light.
Any money?
Yeah, a little change there.
Uh-huh. Where's the dollar?
Right here, the
Is
dollar.
that the dollar? It looks pretty clean though.
Wait, how's
No.
it?
How do you open it? Well, it's got, it's opened, it opens, oh, you take it all out. What is that?
That's the box with the money.
Is it? There's no money?
Nope. But I don't know how
Pull
to
that
do
out.
it.
Pull that out. Right there, yeah.
Oh, there's a quarter or something.
There's one quarter.
Yeah.
You sure that? No, right there, Joe. Right
What?
there. That's a change thing, right?
This is the
Yeah.
change thing, yeah. There's a
Nothing?
quarter.
Quarter?
Yeah.
What did I say?
Quarter in there. See
Okay.
it?
Yeah, okay. 1 quarter.
2 quarters.
Oh, shoot.
That's the 2 quarters you put in, though.
Yeah. You got your levelers for your bottom. That's cool.
Yeah.
Leveling up. Let's check the sodas. Check the sodas.
Okay. So
Let's
that's
see how many sodas we got.
Maybe we don't have any. That's why we didn't make. I didn't take nothing else out, right? No sodas. That's why. So
That's why.
so it
okay.
probably does work good
Yeah.
because they made the noise.
Yep.
Oh, I didn't put this back.
Yeah.
All right.
Wow.
So that's why.
It still looks nice though.
Yeah.
Good. You can sell it.
All right.
Get $1,000 for that.
I'm gonna 1500.
Yeah. All right, finish it off, Joe, so we can.
All right. Joe does it all. 50 cents is what we found. So I think it works
Yeah.
because we put money in it and it made a noise like it was gonna drop a soda,
Yep.
but it didn't drop any soda because
There wasn't any.
there was no sodas in
Yeah.
there.
So that's good. That's good.
All right. So now good, and I have the new locks somewhere.
Alright.
I should put a ratchet strap around. That'd be easier, probably. Yeah. Watch yourself so you don't get hurt.
Hold on, yeah, let me help you. Yeah, turn it all the way around, Joe. Keep going, Joe. You got it.
Joe does it all. What would you like?
Yeah, right here in the corner. Right here in the
Right in the
corner.
corner?
Yes, sir.
My,
Right there. Yep.
Right there?
Yep. Right here. Yep.
Wait, am I gonna miss your door?
Yeah, you gotta watch my shelf.
Okay. Am I good?
Yep. Hold on. Wait, because I gotta help you. Here.
I wanted to get it
Again.
straighter, but
No, you're good. Don't worry about it. We can maneuver it once it's
all
down.
right, so it's not gonna hit nothing.
Yeah, go. You're good. You got it.
There you
Yep.
go.
I got it. I got you.
Oh, you're good. They still got that. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Woo!
That's actually a really nice machine. Really nice, dude.
It is.
Wow. It's
A lot of
clean.
people at the flea market wanted. I mean, at the yard sale were asking about it, but
Yep.
I wasn't ready yet. They wanted to put it in their man cave. We're gonna see if it has power. Oh, we got power! Oh, you hear it?
Yeah. All right, we need to get some quarters. Ooh. Let's put some soda in there. Let's get some soda.
Yeah, we gotta get some soda. It's weird, I don't know. What does it hold? 2 of each?
I would put them on all of them, yeah. One on all of them. That way we can test them all out. We need to get some more change though.
Well, saw the soda machine. Hopefully it'll help me pay for Flacco's treatment. But holy moly, that's expensive, man. All right, we're gonna go get some change because apparently we got to put change. But look how cold it is right now. So by the time I get change and come back, right now it's at 45
That's
degrees.
about right though.
Yeah. See? We were going for 30 minutes, and look, it says 36 degrees, so it definitely works.
Yeah, it got cool.
Yeah, it's cold.
36 degrees.
Good,
Nice.
because I'm waiting for a cold soda.
Yeah. Here's it.
All right, we got credit. Joey.
Look, the dollar thing is working out.
Yeah, it's because it needed change.
Yeah, yeah. 80, 95. It's $1, right?
Yeah.
You gotta hit the Coca-Cola one. Oh, get those things out of there first.
What thing?
Those things.
Oh, so it doesn't
Yeah,
explode.
You don't want to break the can when it comes
Yeah,
in.
these are the feet, so we got them. All right, ready?
Moment of truth.
I'm gonna hit the can.
All right, hit that one. Cause remember,
It's too low. Maybe it needs more soda.
it is.
Oh, it works.
It worked. Yeah.
All right, let me see if the dollar one works because it looks.
Yeah, it does. See if it goes. Oh, you got $1.
Oh
It
shit!
worked.
Oh, there's no more
No,
soda.
there's no soda there. Yeah,
Okay,
it's
I'll
all right.
wait.
You may. Yeah, you might have to wait.
I'll wait until it's done then.
Grab that soda out of there.
Oh, it's cold too.
Drink it, dude.
I am. It's free. All right, hit the other one.
Are you sure?
Well, I didn't stick. Well, I did stick.
Yeah, I'm not sure. You did or not.
Oh, so the dollar works too.
wow.
So it works?
Yeah, it works. Yeah, it works. And we got some good stuff. And the sodas are cold.
Oh, the other one came out.
Yeah, right. Yeah, look, the sodas are cold too. No, it's because you're only supposed to put one on that side, and you put two. Yeah, I mean you're only supposed to put one, but wow, that's nice. I see. It's good, cold.
Yeah, it's nice cold.
Wow, there you go.
That's good.
All right, how much you gonna sell it for?
Well, I'm gonna sell it. I'm asking 1,800. That will help me pay for my dog's vet bills for his chemo
Yeah. All right, there you go, guys.
without the soda.
Well, no, without the soda.
Without the soda.
Oh, okay. Well, good. I'm gonna drink mine.
Now I gotta change this. I have the lock. I gotta change that.
Yeah. Oop.
There's a piece here, but that came off already. So now,
Wow, look
there's that. Somebody gave me a good idea to stick a wood screw in there and pull it out, but there you go.
Oh, so the T handle can be saved then, pretty much.
Oh, it's saved.
Yeah,
I didn't drill
nice,
it.
Nice.
Look, see it?
Yeah.
It's not
Nice.
drilled.
Nice.
See, there's where I drilled.
Yeah.
And there's the new set right there.
There you go.
Now I just gotta figure out. Hey, we already got it dirty.
Perfect.
All right,
Nice.
all right. Let's see.
Let's see if it opens up.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh, that's good.
Good
I'm gonna take this with me.
Yeah.
First, that's nice.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
All
Look at
right.
that. It's beautiful.
Anything does it? All right.
No, I think it's all dollars.
All right. So let's go another dollar then. See.
There's the vacuum. Oh, gave you credit.
There you go.
Hit one you haven't hit.
I don't know.
This one here. Pepsi, yeah. So this is what Pepsi's cans should look like, right? Come on, please. All right.
It's a Coke machine. It didn't want to work with Pepsi. I don't remember which ones I hit. Ah, there you go.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thirsty.
You know what the best thing is about owning your own soda machine? You don't have to go nowhere. Look. Oh, all the soda I can drink them.